Yeah, excuse me. Yeah.
Everyone to the left.
No.
If you're a VIP guest, please come to the right.
Oh, okay, so I'm on the right here.
Hi,
right
how can I help you?
Yes, I'm a VIP guest. I'm just saying hello. How you doing? Like,
how are you doing?
I'm good. Like, I don't know. Like, what's like?
What event are you here for?
Are you stupid, my nigga? Like, the Desus and Mero Showtime show came out yesterday. Like,
okay.
Hello.
You're a fan?
No, nigga. Do you not like?
I'm looking through. What's your name again?
Yesenia.
How do you spell
De
that?
Los Santos Martinez Ramirez Rodriguez. That's my name.
How do you spell? Is that with a J?
It's with a Y, nigga. Like normal. Like Y sounds like yuh. Okay. It's Yesenia.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to step back from the velvet room.
No, I'm not stepping fucking back.
You know what? If there's someone you can call at Showtime, that
call, nigga. Who the fuck I'm gonna call? I'm just saying, motherfucker. I'm the Bodega girl, nigga. Like, I know it's the Bodega Boys. It's a boys club and shit. But yo, this is misogyny, nigga. This is only misogyny. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna stand for this, my nigga. Because if I have to call Mero right here, or or Victor, and he has to come down with his beautiful curls and sun you, I will do that. I will embarrass
you're
you.
making a scene.
This shit is not popping.
Ma'am, you're making
this shit is not popping.
Ma'am.
If I don't get in there, this shit is not popping, my nigga. Listen. The show premiere is fire. I seen it already because they sent me the link because I'm part of the gang. You feel me?
Okay.
I'm down. So like, stop playing with me, my nigga. Like, if this was Puffy's party and Biggie Hologram came here and was like, yo, I'm coming in here, will you tell him no?
Probably.
That's what I fucking thought, my nigga. So I'm going in there.
Okay. Enjoy the party.
Yeah, that's right. Motherfucker almost got chopped out here, stupid. Nigga. Oh my God, yo. Ay, the thing is he hold it. Yo, wait till I get upstairs and tell them. Yo, wait till I tell Victor, yo, I'm gonna have him. Woo, he's gonna sue you, nigga.
Oh my God, is you sending him?
Yo, thank you, I'm here. What's up, y'all? Yeah, we here. Yo, thank you. Yes. Yo, my scrubs is Versace. Thank you. I'm out here, stupid. Thank you. Exactly. Now, the party may start now. Eventually, you can throw some records on. Thank you. I love you, boo. This is episode 148, stupid. Y'all niggas need to recognize the real, the OG, just saying in the motherfucking building. Okay? Bye. Fuck out of my face. Niggas are stupid. And I hope I got my own reserved table, nigga. I need my own reserved table. Stop playing with me. Because I got my friends coming through later, and I don't want no problems at the door. Shit.
Do the drop.
Do the drop before I fucking drop you, stupid.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Sometimes it's an intro, sometimes you're just going through something.
What's the name of that movie where the guy had the mad different personalities? It was kidnapping niggas. It was an M. Night Shyamalan movie. Just
like Split? Yeah,
Split.
with James McAvoy.
That's him.
Yeah.
That's him.
23 of them.
All right? Yesenia used to be a character. Now it's just a manifestation of his hopes, dreams, and anxieties. Episode 148.
Yeah.
Bodega Boys in the building live. Coming from the Jam Room at Milk Studios. Jam Room. Oh, wow. As always, shout out to Cash App. Shout out to Milk Studios and Let's Rock. Shout out to Showtime.
It's Showtime.
Because, you know, we just fucking reinvented late night television with the most innovative and best program ever seen on late night TV. And I'm not even doing us the wild dick flute solo. I'm quoting variety, nigga.
This is true. Straight up. You know what I'm saying?
All right?
We out here.
You know what? Niggas was out the game, you know, because we tore our ACL.
Oh.
We had to, like, we were rehabbing.
They were like, yo.
They was like, can the boys come back? Will the audience follow them?
A ruptured humor Achilles? How
Will the funny follow?
Oh my God. Oh, the audience wouldn't. The audience won't follow them.
They won't follow. They won't pay for premium cable.
They won't pay.
Listen, the audience will pay for premium cable.
You know what I'm saying?
To this day.
That's right.
They did. They showed it. Shout out to the Bodega Hive.
That's right. Shout out to y'all.
You know, y'all showed up. We were the #1 rated show last night in demographics between 23 and 45-year-old Asian women who live in the South Bronx and make more than $80,000.
You know what I'm saying?
So
holla. You feel me?
All right, all my nurses out there in the low series pensions. Yeah.
Shout out to Showtime for throwing that $4.99 deal for the gang. You know what I'm saying? For the Hive. You know
Shout out to Tracy Morgan came through.
Yes, right.
Ruben Diaz
Very
Jr.
chunky.
You know what I'm saying? Who else was there?
AOC came through. Shout out to AOC coming through. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my nigga, my tío, Adriano Espaillat de lo mío personal food, ya tú sabes. You know what I'm saying? He came through chunky with the Cuban hanging. You know what I'm saying?
Did he have a do-rag on?
Yes.
Wow, I was
and chancletas. He was like, yo, papi, what's good with the hookah? You told me there was going to be hookah. There's no hookah? I'm out of here.
There was surprisingly not enough hookah. That was my one complaint.
Yeah.
But, I mean, A-Track came through. Shit was
Yo,
good.
Trizzy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We out here.
Beautiful.
Bro.
And we did a good show. You know what I'm saying? That's just it's a marathon, not a sprint.
It's not.
I know some of y'all concerned with numbers.
Yeah.
Asking, can they be consistent?
Oh.
Can they continue this? Yes.
Yes, stupid.
We proved this shit already.
Yes, of course we can fucking be consistent. Nigga.
Okay. We are in a relationship with our listeners.
Come on, man.
And you know what? We gave you bomb-ass dick.
You know what I'm saying?
And you was like, damn, was he John off the Henny or is this consistent? Then we did it again.
Yeah.
Then we did it again. And we keep doing it now.
And now you realize that we're alcoholics.
And now we hit the bottom. We've been knocking that shit off. And you be calling out of work for that thing. Giving us, just making bad decisions in your life just to listen to us. Letting us drive your car with the seat all the way down.
You know what I'm saying?
You know the PIN number on your fucking debit card and we don't got no job.
You know what I mean?
Or your friends are like, break up with him. And you're like, no, I love him. I'll never let him go.
No.
He be killing spiders around the house.
Yeah. Fuck that. Driving around in the car with your kids all reckless and shit. They in the back like, you know what I'm saying?
That's right.
They don't even got their seatbelts on.
Come to your holiday party smelling like Pacquiao, and when your job is like,
oh, brother, this guy stinks.
Of the essence of herb.
Marijuana, nigga.
Come to Thanksgiving in some Nike jeans, some NBA jeans. Cut the turkey with a box cutter.
Yo.
And you still love. That's my Clarence. Yeah.
Does Nike make jeans? I think we should.
Nike makes everything. Nike
SB 5 pocket, swear by them.
Woo. Yeah. Oh.
And Satra gets in there. She stitches them up real nice because, I have large calves.
Hey.
Wonderful.
Talk on it.
Yo, thank you, Satra.
You and Charlotte.
Look
Yeah,
at the calves. Look at the calves.
You and Charlotte
I
from
could be a fucking rock cat nigga.
Okay. You and Charlotte from Sex and the City have big thighs.
Big thighs.
So you know what it is. Oh, and sad news.
Oh no.
Our good friend basically went where people go to die. Manny Machado's going to the Padres.
Yo, I can't believe. Yo, he's gonna come out opening
Why?
day and shit.
They go give it up for Manny Machado. It's like, it sucks now because he thought he was going to a real team. They're gonna give him like the keys. He's gonna have to go open up the stadium.
Yeah.
That shit's whack.
That's just gonna be true.
That's 10 years, 300?
10 years, 300 guaranteed.
And guaranteed?
Guaranteed. You can see he just wanted the money. He don't give a shit.
Yeah, he's
They be
just
like, yo, you want
real.
to play in Siberia? He was like, see, Poppy.
See,
Damn. He's going to be the grounds crew at the Padres shit. Like, when they can fuck up the mound, he got to come and fix the shit.
that's the book that shit to me because he's like A-Rod. He's like Dominican, but he's like Dominican York. What we Dominicans call Dominican York.
Okay.
Like he was born here, so it's like, bro, like why wouldn't you want to play for the Yankees? Be like,
Well,
you
as
know
a
what I'm
Yankee
saying?
fan, you assume everyone wants to play for the Yankees.
Like, but everybody says that in every interview.
Well,
It's always been my dream to wear the pinstripes. The Yankees are such a
Well, I mean, yes, but if the
organization and
Yankees,
blah, blah, blah.
if you know you're worth $300 million and the Yankees are like, I'm going to give you $250, you got to know your worth, King.
Yeah, it's
Fuck
true.
that.
That's true.
Fuck
That's
that.
true.
The Yankees was being
That's
cheap.
true. That's true.
Listen, sometimes you have a product that is worth value.
Yeah.
And if you don't want to pay for said product,
Teach these devils.
other people
Teach
will
these devils.
give said product
Teach
the
these
right amount of
devils.
money and also succeed with them.
That's
Shout-
right.
Showtime.
It's Showtime.
Yeah. I know y'all other niggas hating.
Relax.
Relax.
You know what I'm saying?
Relax.
Stay in your chair. Keep your size 19s under your desk, B. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Wow.
Ready.
Wow. It's a little early for barbecue.
Yo, you
Cooking
guys,
niggas.
this is probably just a comment for later, but you guys doing anything on the 25th, like at night?
Oh, wow.
No plans, no?
No plans, no.
All right, no, me neither.
Not whatsoever. Why? Is this not?
Nah,
something
just
going
asking.
on?
Our show's
I'm just
not on,
asking.
so.
'Cause I can't, we've been hanging out a lot, it's a lot of press,
Oh,
just
it's
some us
Friday.
time.
Oh,
Maybe
it's
we
a
watch
Friday.
something on the, I don't know, maybe.
Is it a Friday?
Just
I think
asking.
it's a Friday. Yeah, no, it's good. We should all just go to like TGI Fridays or something. Like, I'm sure they got deals.
Yeah.
You want to do that?
We'll watch that shit
It's like,
live.
there's literally nothing else going on Friday.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
No,
Is Game of Thrones coming back on Fridays? No, right?
that's not till April. That's not till
That's
April.
not April. Yeah, nah. So I get there's really not
April. Game of Thrones doesn't come back till April?
Yeah, nah.
Damn.
Yeah, bro. I might be dead by then.
Wow. And this is the last season, right?
Same.
Yeah.
Do I need to watch the previous seasons or can I just jump right in?
Nah, watch.
Why are you even asking? You're just gonna jump right in.
I'm
You're not
just gonna jump
changing
right
at
in.
this point, bro.
I'm jump right in, not know
We know who you
shit.
are.
Can't
I'm
teach
gonna be
you
on this
all those
podcast talking. I'm not gonna know shit. Just ruining the shit. I'll be like, whoa, who dragon is that?
Yo, whoa.
Wait, she can't fuck him. That's her brother.
Yo, why they fuck? Yo.
Wait, now the dragons is breathing different colors?
Yo,
what
chill.
the fuck?
I mean, like, but you're into like live league and like brutal death shit. So like, I would start from the beginning.
Nah, because see, I'm in the brutal death shit for real. For real. Not that CGI shit. I like watching videos that other people watch it and they're like, wow.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I was just multitasking. I got like 5 tabs open. I'm doing my taxes and smoking a blunt. I'm like, yo, watch this baby die.
For all you Bodega High fans out there, when we're not on the mic, one of Desus' favorite activities used to be, and I kind of miss it, is he would start a live leak video and pause it right before the action, be like, okay, what do you think is going to happen?
Let's bring it back. Let's do it back. Bring it back. Let's do it live.
Let's do it live.
Let's do it live.
All right.
Yo, and the world's crazy because we can never guess.
Never guess.
Oh, let's see. Oh, boy.
Don't look. Don't look.
Oh, boy. Oh, God.
This is a different type of gender reveal.
Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Oh, man. You like hear him chortling in the background?
Yeah, this is
And
like,
then you come up to us with the red laptop. It's that same
There you
one.
go.
And be like,
oh, boy.
what do you
ready?
think happen next?
Okay, all right. The guy's in the store, all right? He's looking around. He's spraying. He's spraying.
Your man is duct taped on the floor.
Oh, that's flammable. He's going to light the nigga on fire? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, nigga sprayed the oh, hell no. Fam, why are you so close to the fucking... what a jerk. Now he's stepping all in the lighter fluid. In a wild flammable jet. Yo. 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 Yo, son. No. He just walked out. Yo, this nigga's on fire. No. Nigga, get that shit off.
Oh, that's a chick.
Oh, shorty, yo, nah, shorty's on fire, burning up, you on fire, yo,
put it out. All right, so put it out.
Oh shit, yo, what the fuck? Yo, I swear to God, that dude was gonna fucking light himself on fire.
Wow, okay. That was
guy in white parka tries to light niggas on fire.
duct taped and set on fire during robbery. That's the video we just watched.
Wow.
Where was that? Was that in Philadelphia? Oh, Palestine, Texas.
Oh,
Yeah.
Palestine, Texas?
I'm not. That doesn't sound like a good place to live.
Damn, nigga, free Palestine.
Except for Palestine.
Yo.
Remember, kid, life is short, and we're all riding on horses.
That's right.
And we're all eggs. Life is so fragile.
It's so fragile. You could fall, you know what I'm saying? And break.
Remember, that's what the story Humpty Dumpty was
That's
about.
right. He had a great fall.
It was about he got depressed.
He got depressed.
And none of his friends could get him out the depression.
That's right. So then he took Zoloft. They got back together again.
Zoloft,
Brought to you by
responsible.
Zoloft.
Ask your doctor if you can get Zoloft. It'll quiet the voices in your head. Yeah.
Side effects may include nausea, sore throat, swollen tongue, or death.
Why no one ever has like positive side effects? It's like, side effects
your
might
dick
be.
will get mad big.
That was the first thing I was gonna say too.
To this day.
Side effect. Your titty's gonna be wild swole.
Wild swole.
Straight up.
Yo. May affect your gag reflex. You're like, whoa.
Word. Hey, shit. Shorty's like, looking at you like, may affect your gag reflex or my gag reflex?
He's like,
Relax.
That's right. Shit.
man.
I ain't sucking dick just because I'm on fucking Zoloft.
That's the name of the podcast.
I ain't sucking dick just because I'm
Is that
on
one of the
Zoloft.
side effects? They're like, yo, heartburn, acid reflex. You might want to suck a dick.
Might want to suck wild dicks.
They're just in a ER, mad frustrated. Like, they're like, why are you in here? It's like, I can't.
Oh, man.
Can't stop sucking dicks.
Oh, man, it's been 6 months and I can't stop sucking dicks.
To this
You
day.
know what I'm saying? Damn.
Help me, doctor. They come in with mittens on and shit. Like, yo, my lips are chapped.
Doctor got the fucking iron panties on and shit. Like,
Oh, we've seen this before. We're gonna do a Walking Dead. It's just people who get like the sucking dick disease.
sucking dick disease.
Mad sucking dick zombies. Like,
Brain.
not that type.
Not that type. I want to give you brain.
Niggas like, they got. Oh no, they got me. Oh no, help! No, please don't help. Don't send for help. Niggas meet a new group. They're like, yo, we gotta get together to survive. I'm like, nah, I'll take my chances on my own.
I'm good solo dolo.
They get wild toppy of Georgia full off.
You're like,
Oh, you dead.
Yeah, my shit is girthy.
Still beat though. Niggas out here fucking zombies. Well, first of all, you can't fuck a zombie. It's not consensual.
That and also they stink, nigga.
Also,
you know what I'm saying?
So which one stops you? Because they stink or because it's not consensual?
Both. Like consensual first, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
because
you know, we're allies.
Because we're allies, and then also like your pussy stink because you're dead.
It depends how quickly they die though. Like what if they just reincarnated? Like they just died. Like
I
don't know. This is
it's a lot of questions.
There's gotta be some bad zombies out there though.
Yeah.
There gotta be a zombie with a wild fit. That's how niggas become caught up.
Yeah.
Niggas like be in a compound and shit. They be watching with the binocular. They be like, yo, this zombie, yo,
that's 5-star Jazzy, bro.
yo,
look at zombie now.
Look at that zombie Jeeks. Yo, what's up, man?
Yeah, what's good? She's like,
what's up, your zombie man? Let you have friends.
Zombie Miss twerk something.
Ooh, damn, you sexy as shit. You stinking fuck, but you sexy, man.
$150. I will put your rap single.
What you mixed with?
Asian.
Ooh, nice, nice. What you doing after this?
Eating.
Come up me to this behind this dumpster real quick. You ever seen Hookers on the Point?
Yeah. I like the teacher lady.
Shout out to teacher lady. You think she's still out? I was thinking about that the other day. I was like, I don't live that far from Hunts Point. I could go find her, but I don't think Desus Nice late night talk show host looking for prostitutes at Hunts Point goes over that way.
Eddie Murphy
PR.
was fine.
Yo,
My girl wants you party all the time. Was Eddie Murphy fine? Eddie Murphy was fine, but Eddie Murphy, yeah.
You know who never recovered? It was Hugh Grant.
Hugh Grant
never recovered.
because he went on TV to talk about the shit.
He did?
Yeah.
Wait, did he never recover for real? Like
Nah. He had that joint with Sandra Bullock afterwards, right?
Yeah, he was fine. It was
Yeah.
Divine Brown, the sex worker he saw. Like she had they had her on talk shows and shit, but they were kind of making fun of her, and that shit was right.
Yeah, but after that, he was on on a roll.
Yeah.
Like, and then it was just like skirt, and then they're like, yo, you got one movie, nigga.
Also, like sidebar, Divine Brown's actually a really nice name. I like that name.
Yeah,
That's definitely a porn name though.
It is.
Yeah.
I mean, but it's nice.
Speaking of Eddie Murphy,
oh man, that's him.
that's him.
Eddie Murphy.
That's how much fucking money Eddie Murphy has. He just stopped doing comedy and did a reggae album.
Present day?
That was 2016, my nigga.
What?
That was 2016.
Wow.
No, 2015.
Brother, this guy stinks.
But how much money do you think that
He's definitely worth like over
120 mil.
Oh my!
His movies
God.
have grossed nearly 6.7
billion.
Oh my! Come on, Shrek, nigga.
Oh yeah. Of course.
And then he saved Saturday Night Live.
Basically.
So
I respect the shit out of him for going on Saturday Night Live and be like,
doing
yo,
like
fuck y'all
that.
niggas.
Yeah.
Y'all niggas trying to play me.
And they must have known he was going to do that, and they had to put him on air anyway, bro.
Yep.
That's when you can put power on, when you can put pressure on people like that.
Yep.
When you can have Lorne Michaels under pressure like
Under
that.
pressure.
That nigga was sitting there with his little beak like, God, Eddie's gonna ruin this for everybody. Eddie's gonna ruin it.
That's what when we're trying to hold SNL, he's like, yeah, you guys got to shave. You thought?
I'd be like, how much you paying?
Bye. Not shaving nothing.
Fuck out of here.
You know how long it took me to grow this beard? And then I have that weird part where if I don't have the facial hair, I look like a pedophile. Because everyone's used to me having facial hair
Yeah,
now.
no, Paulie
And without
said,
it, man, yeah.
Niggas be looking like marsupials.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Can't respect me without a beard now.
Yeah, niggas got beards.
I look
bro.
like Bumblebee from Transformers. That shit is whack, man.
Grown ass man, you gotta have a beard.
You gotta
bro.
have a beard.
If you a grown ass man, you got a beard. You're a herb.
I got 2 beards. I'm on some Hollywood shit. Just because.
When you said that, I was like horrible.
You get Rosario Dawson to fuck you up. Oh, man. Yo, the political landscape is so whack.
Yo, it's so trash.
It's so
There's
whack.
nobody like, because I remember when Obama came out, it was like, yeah, Obama. Like,
Obama came out, you was waiting for that first single.
Yeah,
You was like, yeah.
for him, you're like,
now,
yo.
all these politicians, all the people running for the Democrats right now are just like niggas. Well, not even just the Democrats, because even Howard Schultz and them, they're just like rappers with like face tattoos that I don't want to click on their link and find out about.
I'm like,
I'm like, who?
like, yeah, I don't know.
Like little Kamala Harris Pump?
Yeah, I'm
Who?
like, I don't
What?
know.
Howard Schultz, get it?
Yeah,
Like,
nah. Like, I just, like.
And nobody's coming out with like anything radical. Everyone's like, yeah, I want to give people health insurance. And
Yeah,
I'm like, nah,
Medicare for.
like wild niggas be like, yo, I want to give every nigga in the hood a gun.
Got my vote.
I'm like, okay, why? They're like, nah, if you got one and he got one, ain't no one gonna shoot each other. Now you know. I'm like, okay. That's a little radical.
That shit will backfire like crazy.
Oh,
Be
yeah.
like, yo, that nigga's wild pussy. He ain't gonna bust his shit. I bust my shit.
Oh, I'm pussy?
Oh, what?
Mad fourth graders shooting each other and shit. They're like, Jesus and Mero's controversial guns for guns program. We trade, you bring a whack gun, we give you a better gun.
Oh, shit.
What's up?
1877
Guns for kids. What's up? You being bullied? Come see us. We got you.
We got you with the strap.
Someone jumped me at school. I'm like, oh, can someone get in the AR?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Have maybe spokesperson. Be like, do you need a strap?
Do you need a gun? Guns for kids. Turn in your kid and get a gun.
Yeah.
Straight up.
He's like, yo, Mero just come with all four of his kids.
I'm like, yo, let me get a.
I'm like, yo, you get a rocket launcher, sir.
Yeah. Oh, what? Oh, shit. Okay.
What is a rocket launcher gonna do if you got like beef in the street? You realistically, can you launch a rocket at someone's house and then go back to your house and not expect the ATF and the US, the army to come after you?
I just imagine that shit. Like, you got beef on a block and you just pull up on the block and you be like, yo, son, what's good?
What's up?
What up? What up?
Is this nigga actively targeting us? You hear the noise from the lock-on shit. It's like, I'm like, nigga, throw some strap. What the fuck? Nigga just throw mad aluminum foil in the air, throw off the bullet, the missile and shit. Yo,
you should have RPG into a nigga's building. Like, yo. Like,
you're gonna affect a lot of other apartments. That shit seems cool, but then 2 hours later, when the Red Cross is out there giving niggas foil blankets and shit, niggas on Bronx 12 like, DK, it was a missile went through my building.
It's like, yo, I was just chilling in my kitchen with my son. Like, yo, first of all, I want to say, yo, Julio, you're a fucking piece of garbage, my nigga, because you don't take care of your son. But anyway, I was just chilling in my kitchen, and then niggas threw an RPG in this shit, and now I can't make my bacalaitos.
Niggas did an EMP. It was like a concussion grenade.
Yo, this shit was crazy. It made my TV turn off right in the middle of my fucking novela, yo. Oh my God. Can't stand these niggas, yo. Your man Richard Schultz is out here. He's in projects.
Who? Howard Schultz? He used to run the project.
I said Richard Schultz.
Howard.
Who's?
They call him Big Ho.
Big Ho?
Big Ho.
He's a big ho.
Big Ho, the coffee magnet.
You know what I'm saying?
He be out there. He be like, what's up?
What's up, nigga?
So he got to come with like the wild, the Tracy Morgan thing, but with like a Starbucks cup. And just be out there.
Like an iced out K cup?
Howard Schultz, if you want the Bodega Boys to endorse you, get a icy Starbucks chain.
Yep.
And we want a video of you walking without no security through your old projects.
Yep, that's right.
We will go with you.
Yep. And you go dress however you want. You don't have to wear a suit. You can wear it.
I want to see what his hand skills is like and see if he can like tag his name using a cigarette lighter and a staircase. See if he can subway surf on the top of an elevator. Yeah.
Smoke a blunt on the rooftop.
Howard Schultz, you ever got Wild Domington on the project roof?
Huh?
I just imagine him in like Sunset Park. The movie with Fred Star and shit. He's the only white kid on the team.
With the yellow bubble on and
He
shit.
got the fucking Hallie Henson on, like, yo.
What's good?
Yo.
I can't dribble or do anything else, but I'm open for the corner three.
Yeah, Howard Schultz on the project roof with a notebook and a do-rag. Like, I'm going to get out of here one day.
You know what I'm saying?
All I see out my window is murders. Yo.
Could you imagine what Fredro Starr's auditions were like? Because he
my
played the
God.
same role in every movie. What's that joint he did with Usher when they were like trapped in the high school?
He's just angry nigga.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I forgot about that movie.
He's like, yo, nigga, I'm angry, fuck, nigga.
Usher was supposed to shoot somebody. Then he does it, and he just goes from like out of nowhere. He just goes, "I knew you was pussy.
I know you was pussy." Yo, Fredro Starr's face is like this all the time.
Yeah, he looks like a pit bull for real.
He's like, yo, what the fuck? Nigga was getting married like, he was watching his kid be born like, the fuck? Nigga, look, he smelled a fart on his lip.
Sorry, we're still getting texts from people about the show and shit.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
how many,
yeah. Oh.
Yeah, it's
how many
bugged out.
how many unread messages do you have?
A lot.
Bruh,
I am on 42.
a lot.
I can't get back to some of these
I
niggas.
turned my phone on this morning and it was just like,
Shout out to anyone that supported and you hit me up and I haven't been able to answer. I'm gonna get back to you. I promise.
I promise you.
We're a little busy.
I'm gonna take all the weekend to do that.
People were like, "Yo, what do you free today?" I'm like, "Nigga, I'm never free. I'm on TV. We constantly recording shit, man.
That's
Relax,
true.
dog.
Niggas is working.
I can't just quit my job and go hang with you at Applebee's. I'm sorry.
On, B.
As much as I like to feel good in the neighborhood,
You know what I'm saying?
Just can't do that. And then also we gotta get security to bring us to Applebee's.
Yo, that's crazy.
They gotta coordinate with the car driver. And shit.
Niggas got security for us. We didn't ask for security. They gave us security.
You know it is because we're prize stud Negroes.
That's right.
For Showtime.
You know what I'm saying?
And they gotta protect their investment.
That's
like
right.
keep it funky.
100%.
At the end of the day.
You know what I'm saying?
Because they was like, you need security. I was like, nigga, I stay with security.
Yeah.
It was like, nah, dude, you can't like carry the burner. I was like,
To this day.
Nigga, shit's on me,
Suck.
nigga. It's on me.
nah, we can't bring it into the CBS studios because they got metal detectors. They
Yeah.
turned it off when we walked through because we're from the BX, so you know we walk around the metal detectors. Lean back. Should we re-record the 29? Anytime you add the year, anytime you add the what do you call it? The year to the title of a song.
Oh, yeah. Man.
The song is terrible because I was gonna be like, we should do like 2019 Lean Back, but then get like the You remember on Quiet Storm how they had Havoc and Prodigy, and then on the remix out of nowhere, Lil Kim came and killed it. We gotta have AOC come and spit like the wildfire verse. Some shit get her like career in danger.
Yeah.
Chop niggas, I rock niggas. AOC see me nigga with that burner and that Glock nigga. I'm like, oh shit, yo.
They call me AOC, but I'm AOCB, nigga.
We should get Fontaine to write her lyrics.
Yo. She just starts her verse like, y'all want to see a dead body? I'm like,
shit.
Oh, wow.
Yo. Who do you want to be?
AOC said for cracking. Like,
Yo,
oh, shit.
Yo, nigga.
She does some shit when she names Mad Guns. She be like, Remington, Smith & Wesson, Colt 45.
Heckler Koch, nigga. Got
You know what it is.
shit on deck, nigga.
Six Sawyer.
Turn a nigga to a bagel, nigga. What's up?
What's up?
Motherfucker.
Yo.
Stupid.
I'll block your vote and hit you with the Mossberg.
I feel it bust my gun, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Not talking about Sanders when I pull out that Bernie.
Oh shit, yo, she's not playing, yo.
Niggas be on Fox News like, oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Gangster rapper AOC.
God, Jesus
the notorious
Christ.
AOC.
Oh, fuck.
We have to have the mad artwork of us throwing up the X's and shit. But she stick up the middle finger like, yo,
fuck the
what's up?
establishment.
She got the gem star in the mouth like,
Like, yeah. She does the Wat tongue maneuver to take the shit out.
what's up? Like, oh yeah.
What's up?
Shit's popping, dog. Shout out to all the losers that be in my mentions now. And they're like, AOC is the stupidest person ever. And you go and they have like maybe 7 followers and their pinned tweet is them trying to do the floss dance. Nobody wants to watch that shit.
Yo, go fuck yourself.
A lot of guys have a lot of frustration for they want to fuck her.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Just that
bruh,
simple.
it's so see through and it's so obvious. It's like, bruh, this is the girl that was mad smart in your high school that you thought was mad cute and you want to holler, and then you went to holler and she was just like, nah. She was like,
she dubbed them.
Yo,
So you spend the rest of the school year subbing her and like slandering her behind her back.
Exactly.
She doesn't even strike me like that though. It's just like she seems like mad nice, mad cordial. She speaks her mind, and they love it. Yeah. But it's just quiet for them.
Some people don't like it, and then I mean, let's talk about the optics. You have a brown woman. Like trying to disrupt a very white government, so nobody like that. And then she has the audacity to be from the Bronx.
Yo, when she hit the dulcet tones of Que Bonita Bandera,
Oh
I
yeah.
knew she was.
It was a real one.
Yo,
She's
in the
real
White
one.
House? Oh,
Well, not the
man.
White House, but in the Congress building.
Oh yeah. Right.
Yeah, that's not till 2028. You heard me? You heard me, Drudge Report?
Yeah.
You shaking?
Wow.
Drudge Report.
Wow. Look at Cozy Boy Victor right there.
You know what I'm saying?
Our new political show called Politics and Shit.
I've been
No, our
talking to Melo
name
on
of
this
our show is
time off.
Politicking.
Yo, Melo's still like the cozy god.
Melo's chilling right now.
Yeah.
Melo's on Apex Legends right now. Crushing it.
Have you played Apex Legends?
Yeah.
You fuck with it?
Yeah.
Is it Xbox?
It's Xbox, PS1, and the PC, and it's free.
Yeah.
Unlike a certain game I was ranting and raving about for the last 2 months, and Treyarch or whatever was just like, yeah, we're not updating that shit no more.
Ooh.
Yo, I have not seen a game fall off so fast as Black Ops 4. You go in the lobby, niggas don't even be in that shit. They added all this customization like black market. You could like. There's no like extra guns, but you could like add camouflage to your guns, and I'm like, I'm not 12. I don't want to do this shit, dog. Like, add some shit to it. There's no new maps in multiplayer. What the fuck? I'm not paying $60 for a battle pass to get multiplayer boards everyone else doesn't have. You understand? That doesn't make any fucking sense. And then the multiplayer you added, all you did was change the lighting conditions. You gave me Seaside at sunset. That's the same as Seaside, nigga. Sorry.
What the fuck is that?
So I gotta give Apex
That's true.
Legends
That's true.
a shot. Also, Rockstar, listen, you need us for this next game, so give us a call, baby. I don't know if we're protagonists, if we're in the radio station,
feel me?
if we're like the criminals.
Yo, we can start the next.
Oh my God.
GTA 6 with us is lit.
You just choose between me, you, and Victor
know what I'm
as
saying?
characters.
Yo, but we got to include Mac because Franklin, the other one, had a dog.
Yeah.
Look at Mac. Get that
Mac out
beautiful
here.
face. Get that beautiful face.
Mac right here.
He's like, yo,
Yeah.
Mac
look
in the
at him.
building.
He's like, yo,
You know
put
what
me
I'm
on, put me
saying?
on, put me on.
Shout to Vermont. Shout to Kate and Brendan. Hooked it up. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I was up in Vermont. Vermont is actually a beautiful place.
They got great syrup.
They do have great syrup. They have syrup whiskey, which will get you fucking. That shit is like 200% proof.
Let me say something about Vermont syrup. If you
Tell
have-
me, Bernie Sanders.
If you have pancakes and you put in like regular like Mrs. Butterworth, Aunt Jemima, whatever the fuck, Crasdale,
Look at
nigga,
the disgust on his
you know what I'm
face.
saying? Stop and shop, the supermarket shit. You have not tasted.
Talk that syrup talk,
You know what I'm
daddy.
saying? You know what I'm saying?
Talk that syrup talk.
That money talk. You know what I'm saying? We talking money on this side.
This
You
ain't
feel me?
IHOP talk.
Feel me?
He ain't talking about boysenberry.
I don't know if you noticed, you got double vision. It's not double vision. Daddy came through with the double
He
Cuban.
got
you know
two
what I'm
chains.
saying?
That means he got syrup
You know
money.
what I mean?
Trees die for his
You know what I'm
shit.
saying? You know what I'm saying? I say that to say this. Free tax. And also, you have not had a Belgian waffle until you've had a Belgian waffle with delicious melted butter on it. You know what I'm saying? Salted.
Where's
You
the
know
best
what I'm
place to get that, bro? At home, or is there a specific place you go to?
I had to just make extremes. I'd be like,
Y'all got a
make-
waffle maker?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I got all that shit. I got a waffle maker, panini press, nigga.
There's a lot of kitchen
I
appliances that
see
are just not necessary.
Yeah, they are.
You ever
There
buy
is,
something,
that's
you're
true.
like, damn, I'm gonna use this shit once.
Once, yeah.
But you be like,
Yeah.
I still got it.
My panini press is sitting up in the cupboard, like, yo.
I too have a panini press.
Like, yo, you
and
wanna make a
every time I
grilled
want to do
cheese?
it, I'm like, oh, like this is like an extra step. The sandwich is done. Let me just eat the shit. Like I'm gonna just waste 2 minutes now to cut the shit in the corners. Now I gotta clean this after. I thought not. I bought a air popcorn maker that makes my apartment so great.
Oh,
but
yeah.
the problem
the
is
spinning joint?
no, it's like it's whatever the best one on Amazon was.
Is it an air fryer?
No, it's not a fryer.
Okay.
I have one of those as well. But this one, no, there's no oil, so it's healthier.
Yeah.
But the problem is, like, I'm doing all this to be healthy, and then I add like a whole stick of butter.
So
I'm just, I can feel my arteries clogging as I eat the popcorn.
yeah.
I mean, you know,
I think I had because I had never had butter. Like butter, because you know how in the hood niggas call country crock and parquet butter.
Yeah,
That
I
shit
didn't
ain't
know.
butter.
I had the crunchy, and they was like, "This is not butter." I was like, "It's in the tub." They're like, "It's not butter."
Niggas yellow.
You
it's
ghetto
in the
sea
tub.
urchin.
Yeah, exactly.
I was like,
so I
oh.
was just like,
Wait,
yo,
what's butter then?
Like
like,
real
it's
butter.
like
Like what
churned,
brand?
like churned butter,
Like you making that shit?
Like no, like they sell like it says butter on the box. Like if you look at country
Wow.
crock, yeah,
Wow,
see
this
it?
is like ice cream. There's ice cream and frozen dessert.
frozen dairy
dessert.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
shit!
I remember one time my parents got into an
know.
argument because my father loves margarine. I have no idea what the fuck is wrong with him.
Why?
He prefers the taste of margarine to butter.
What?
Because he's a contrarian Jamaican. What do you want?
Oh, okay.
So my mother was like, you know, like she would take, because this is how Jamaican we are. We have a butter dish, which if you think about it, is disgusting. Your butter's just sitting in a dish all day, all warm and shit.
Outside,
But,
yeah.
It's like raccoons tap dancing and shit. So I go to, we go get the butter and we spread it on the toast or whatever. And he's like, this isn't butter. He's like, this is butter. This isn't margarine. And she's like, margarine tastes disgusting. And he was like, margarine tastes better than butter. And I'm like, what? And then, the four of us at the table. He goes, kids, what tastes better, margarine or butter? And we was like, first of all, my nigga, I don't even fuck with you like that. Like, you don't even be here. Like, you just my mother's friend. But we all at the same time, we was like, butter. And he was like, oh. Yo, my man did not speak to my mother for 2 days over this.
Wow.
Like, they were giving each other, they froze each other out inside the house, and it was on the weekend. Not on like a Monday to Tuesday. It was like a Saturday, Sunday, where West Indian couples are forced to be together. And I was like, and as a kid, I was like, oh, that's what you do.
Oh.
When you don't like your spouse, you just shut down and don't communicate with them.
Yeah.
I got this relationship shit.
This shit is down.
All right.
I got this shit down pat.
Oh, you want to communicate? Okay, I'm leaving.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I'm going to the supermarket.
Bye. I'll come back when you're scared to approach me and communicate at any attempt, and you just repress all your emotions, and we just sit there and don't communicate and let things fester.
Yo.
Yeah, you should also try it at work. I've had good results.
Hi, I have an issue with you. I was like, yeah, I don't want to discuss it now or ever. So just push it down.
Yeah.
And I don't know, just be passive aggressive about it.
Yeah.
Maybe tell other people about the issue, but never bring it up directly to me.
Yeah,
And we just pretend we're friends. Oh, my ex is like, that nigga's shit.
I hate that nigga. God damn, he's talking about me right now.
But the beauty is you don't know which one of you I'm talking about. Actually, narrator's voice. He was talking about them all. Because if you look, like even when you get to a certain point in the day, like you think you don't have a type, but you do have a type. And it might not be a physical type, but it might be an emotional type or a type that emotionally manipulates you. Mm-hmm. So, you know, you gotta, every now and then, you know, I'll be in the shower just thinking back like, damn, I took an L with that one. Yeah. Bounce back though.
Bounce back, nigga.
Bounce
We
back.
out here, Showtime #1, nigga. Yeah, #1 show late night. You know what it is?
Niggas really got Showtime.
Yeah.
That's fucking stupid.
We out here.
That's fucking, it wasn't supposed to go this far.
Yeah,
There's some government employee, because Trump is president, they probably cut the budget of whatever government agency was supposed to stop us. Because, like, niggas was like, I thought the high point was joking off. I'm not even going to lie. I was like,
yo, this is a real studio.
I was like, shit.
Oh, shit, we got a dressing room?
A nigga got, the PA snuck him a full-size candy bar.
Oh, shit.
Excuse me, I got to get up. I'll take this train at 5 a.m. to the west side of Manhattan.
I thought I was Ari fucking gold when that deal got fucking done.
Talk that talk. Oh,
Yo,
man.
Now I'm like Drake on Mob Ties and shit. I'm sick of these niggas. Get rid of these niggas.
So because it's Black History Month and because we didn't talk about it on the show, we have to talk about Jussie Smollett.
Nigga, I kicked that shit over on purpose so you could just diverge from that.
I just would like to start off by saying it's a shame what happened. And Victor, I hope your brother does better.
Listen. If the hair's long and them summer months is coming, we get trifling. You know what I mean? We get trifling, all right?
Oh.
Yeah.
You know what? It's the opposite of the 21 Savage situation.
Yeah.
Remember, at first it was like mad serious, and it was like, now there's memes, now they cooking your old boy. Your man went back to work.
Man, that's like if I come in here to do the podcast, we all leave, you turn on News 12, and it's like, comedian The Kid Mero runs into Kentucky Fried Chicken, exposes himself to children, and masturbates on tray of chicken. And then I just come in
back
the
to
next
work.
day like, yo,
What's
up?
up?
Yo, what's good?
Look at you, dap me.
No fucking
What's wrong with you?
What the fuck is wrong with you, B?
What's wrong with this nigga? But then you have to add the point. He was like, you did that to get Showtime to pay you extra?
I'm like, yo, but you don't understand. It was like there was like a strategy behind this whole thing. You feel me?
You don't gotta feel stupid, his agent. Because the agent probably was like, yo, I wasn't answering his phone calls. Maybe I was like, he was like, yo, fam, I really need you to get my salary up. And the agent was like, I got you. Hold on right now. I'm representing Michael Chase, so I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you in a second.
You know what I'm saying?
I knew this was Michael Chase's fault.
Everything's Michael Chase's fault. But damn, it's and then people was like, yo, now no one's gonna believe people. Nigga, no one ever believes people.
No, it doesn't matter. Like,
the Supreme Court justice was like, Shorty was like, yo, he raped me. And he was like, nah, I was drinking beers. And they was like, well, enjoy the Supreme Court, nigga.
Hey, you got that.
That's his. And then also, shout out to Chicago PD for apparently doing the first fucking investigation ever in life. Like, their murder rate is stupid. And now they're investigating video from convenience stores. Niggas is turning over leaves. Niggas is like testing tread marks and
Canvassing the neighborhood.
All right? Chief Keef is like, what about my homies?
What about all my niggas that's dead? It's just me. I'm the only glory boy left. Like, what happened? Like, yo, it's crazy. They do more police work on Chicago PD, the show, than the actual Chicago Police Department.
For real.
Unless you know what I'm saying, they're trying to disprove a hoax. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Shout, I was gonna say, rest in peace, Fredo Santana, though.
Fredo Santana 300, you know what I'm saying?
Damn, he made joints.
Gang.
He made me, like, well, I used to ride around with his shit. I was like, I'm about to turn the Bronx to Chicago. Fuck that. Shit. I was like,
start airing niggas
just
out.
using Chicago. I was like, yo, these ops out here. They was like, excuse me?
Ops?
I was like, these ops over here?
It's ops, nigga?
These ops over here, they trying to wild hunted.
Yo, you got the dick?
Got that dick. I stay with that dick on me, okay? I was like, remember, you must always investigate other people's slangs before you go there or you get in trouble. Yeah. That's how one of my first arrests was, because I was from the Bronx and the person I was working with was from Brooklyn. And we were doing street team for Chico DeBarge.
Wow.
So we're putting
By street team, do you mean like putting up posters
Of
or
course.
delivering him cocaine?
No, a little bit of both. A little bit of Monica in my life. So we're putting the poster up on the thing, and I see like the Jake, which is what we call it in the Bronx, pass by. They passed by in the unmarked vehicle, and I was like, "Yo, Jake." The guy was like, "What?"
My name's Matt.
I was like, "Jake." And sure enough, 3 white guys walked up like, "Oh, you guys putting up posters, huh?
What are you doing?
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, Chico, another debauch?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh shit.
wow.
Oh, wow.
I didn't even know how many of them it was. What was Jimmy? Didn't you have a debauch song at your wedding? What was that? Stay with me.
Yeah, stay.
Yo, debauch. I remember.
DeBarge, I know.
My sister Sheila. They had the song "Rhythm of the Night." Yeah, remember? Oh yeah. All right.
Oh,
so
hey,
listen,
hey.
you little blackies. I'm
All
gonna
right.
turn around.
Hey.
Listen to the samba rhythm and put your hands behind your back.
hands behind your back. Hey, stop resisting, you piece of shit.
Guess what? You're gonna listen to the rhythm of the bookings.
Hey.
Enjoy your little ham sandwich. Oh, you please pick up a milk. You are getting locked up. Get your nigga ass in the back of my police truck. Whoa, that's not the lyrics.
That's a joint though.
Yeah.
And that was the lead track on the soundtrack for The Last Dragon.
The Last Dragon. Wow.
Yeah.
Has no one remade The Last Dragon? We can remake that.
The last dragon.
Fam,
You
you be
should-
shown enough.
Writers,
Yo.
write us a sketch with Last Dragon.
Writers,
Yeah.
right off.
Right off.
Deep cut.
That'd be great. We got Mero with more hair. I could be Leroy. Catch a bullet in my teeth. All the writers are like, "What the fuck is Last Dragon?"
Like, this
They're
motherfucker
like, "What?"
kiss my Converse.
I think like right now, Clara's like, "Nigga, Last Dragon."
Last dragon.
It's bringing up like mad. It's bringing up mad Chinese restaurants and shit.
She's like, oh shit, no,
like,
that's not it. Last Dragon film? Oh no, this is a
She's
photo
sitting in
place in
heaven like,
Koreatown.
"Yo, what's Last Dragon?" Heaven's like, "Girl,
Girl,
it's an iconic black karate movie. Please don't email me this bullshit during Black History Month.
God damn.
I'm doing self-care right now. Peace and blessings, Heaven."
Shout out to heaven. Yo, my bad. I did not curve you on that blunt yesterday. I just was like, people were.
No, they told us they shout out to us. We were well behaved. We were
You know
not
what I'm saying?
intoxicated.
Yes.
We wasn't high because usually we come with our eyes redder than the devil's dick.
That's right.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, not this time. I was like, no, because we actually worked hard and I wanted to enjoy the night.
Enjoy this shit.
Next season
I wanted
premiere.
to remember
Woo!
it.
Yeah. For season 2, fuck that.
Oh, yo, and shouts to Oliver for sending us the full English breakfast.
Full English breakfast with the beans and the
And
malt
the
and
bangers,
everything.
bro.
And the bangers.
Bangers and mash.
Came
And we
with
ain't
the
talking about
bangers.
Miley Cyrus bangers.
Yo,
I'm
yeah,
saying?
yo, we got bangers from John Oliver. We can never fail.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to bangers meaning 2 different things across the pond and in the Bronx.
Yeah. There
Because you be in a
bag that just
cafe
said
like, yo,
bangers
where's
on
my
them.
bangers?
Yeah.
Don't go in a cafe in the Bronx and be like, where's my bangers?
where's my bangers?
You're going to hear mad niggas like,
Yeah, I got Oh, you want to bang it?
I got it right now. We bang her out.
What's
We're
good?
going to parking lot right now.
Why you asking? Why you asking?
I remember one time I was at the Royal Roach, the iconic
Shout out to-
diner
shout out to Royal
on
Roach.
Boston Post Road. We were wild smack that night.
Fam, I remember that shit like, you know that movie Memento?
Yeah.
Where the nigga just has like fucking flashbacks and shit. I'm just like, I remember eating cheese fries, and Desus kept telling me how good the brakes on the Accord were.
Oh my God. That night was such a. I was like, nah, you can't drive. I got this.
I got this.
No, sir. No, sir. Bad decision, jeans.
Yo, thank God.
But remember at that first intersection, I was like, yo, your brakes are good as shit. If anyone's ever driving your car, they keep saying repeatedly, your brakes are good as shit, take your keys back.
Take the keys back immediately.
I was like, look how fast I can stop at 65 miles per hour.
Yo, my Xanadu could have turned into my Waterloo nigga that night.
What's funny, we've almost died several times. That's why I'm just really surprised at the Showtime thing. And not only is not we almost died separately several times, we've almost died as a duo
Simultaneously.
several times.
I don't think you guys realize, but like you guys know the jokes you're gonna tell. If you have a little time before you die, you know the jokes you're gonna tell. Like if the plane's going down, we're gonna
we
look at each other and be
cooking
like,
niggas.
"Oh God,
Oh God, yeah, we know it. We know it.
combust."
We're just cracking up like, oh God.
Remember at South by Southwest?
Death set.
Remember at South by Southwest, we couldn't get back to the hotel, and then that creepy car pulled up with all the girls with gold fronts, and they had weed, and he was like, "I'm gonna ride with them." I was like, "You thought, nigga, they gonna kill us? What the fuck is wrong with you?" Anytime you in a car and all 3 girls got full frontal grills, you don't take a ride from
You know
them.
what the thing is? Like I believe you because I can tell from the energy. Because that story and energy has stayed the same every time. But every time you say, I'm like, girls, weed.
Oh
Go
my
Fronts.
God.
We in Texas. I was like, that sounds kind of dope.
It was almost 3 a.m. and we were not in Central Austin.
we were
in like
Deliverance?
we were
Fucking
in
Dust
like
Bowl,
we
nigga.
were like in West Dogleg, Texas, or some shit. Oh my God! And Mero's just like heading to the weed. I was like, sir,
The way Monterey Jack goes to cheese.
yes, exactly. Like, he wasn't even using his legs; he was just floating. His little mustache was like.
I turned into Stephen A. Smith like, weed.
We survived somehow.
See, we did that.
We survived.
You know what I'm saying? Then we almost died as a trio in a helicopter. You know what I'm saying?
True.
You were essentially dead already
I
after
would've
all
stopped
of
He would have woke up like, oh, this is heaven.
Yo, fan, I'm
Shit's
telling you
lit,
right
and then
now.
pulled up a cloud and went back to sleep.
I'm glad you were that inebriated because I was like, if, that shit was so small. Like, had you woken up and like
Started
gotten
rocking
startled,
his
yeah.
butt? Yeah,
Would've
Also,
been down. in
niggas
Chino,
did a barrel roll.
nonetheless. Yeah, in
Do
Chino,
a barrel
nonetheless.
roll.
and also he was like so inebriated, like he would have survived a plane crash.
Yeah,
Like your body could have got shredded by the wind farm, and you've been like,
Shit. Yo, what happened?
got the kinks out my back.
Oh, shit. Yo, my arm. Like,
Oh man.
put the shit back in like a crash test.
So I was
dummy.
thinking, I was like, so should the rules from Showtime be like we could never be on the same flight? But then it's just like if one of us dies, we can't do the show without the other one. I mean, I could.
I
It'd be pretty sad.
I could
I'd be like, oh shit, look at Obama boy, and I'd be like, this would be the part where Mero does his Dominican accent.
you kidding me? I'd have been like, oh, you thought I was joking about cutting mafia all these years? Send her out there.
What's up?
That is an artist, and she named herself that. Just to be clear.
Mafia.
Let's put some mafia for the uninitiated.
This was 2014, and that's exactly what 2014 was like. I was definitely on the Lower East Side, stealing drinks, like stealing money from the niggas would leave a tip on the bar. I'd be like, wait, were we on TV yet in 2014?
Yeah.
Barely.
Geico.
Wow. Guy code is so weird because that's such a blip on our resume. But that one guy in Times Square was like, "That's where I know you guys from." And I was
Yeah,
like,
that weird
"How?"
Viking
Yeah.
dude. Yeah, that was
On the way
crazy.
back from Schnippers. And the other thing was, yo,
Shout
I
out to
was
Schnippers, your
I
blue
was
cheeseburger.
sweating. Homegirl that was like in Sports Illustrated. You remember? She was like one of the girls
Yes,
from like
the-
Girl Code when there was a mashup.
Yeah.
I was like, damn, man.
Yes, and
all I got.
Now it's moving on up. Like,
Nah, she'll still curve me.
No,
Some things
remember-
don't change, man.
I remember I said to her in what was her name? Because at the party, I was like, oh shit. I was like, yo, this is exciting. We're on TV. You ever been on TV before? She was like, nigga, I am a Sports Illustrated model. Why are you talking to me? I was
are
like,
you
oh.
serious?
And I think
I
she
was
was like,
like,
on the
someone has
cover that month.
attitude.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
What's her name? White model, dolphin.
White model.
We're going to be here a minute.
Yeah, you're going to get 80 million search results.
Put in blonde. That'll
I
help.
think her name was Nina.
Yes, Nina,
Eggshell? Egg ball?
model.
Egg something?
Because if you look closely at her face, Nina Agdal.
There you go.
Yes. If you look closely at her face, I don't know if it's still like that, but she kind of looks like Rihanna, a white Rihanna. It's weird. You see it?
Zoom in. And it's like fucking Law and Order. Enlarge that.
Enlarge that.
And biggin. Oh shit! Yeah.
You see it?
Oh shit! You're
It's
right.
weird, right?
Yeah. Wow.
It's weird. They could do a Freaky Friday.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? Like, listen, niggas, listen, we finger pop the zeitgeist every
That's
day.
right.
What other channel gonna give you that?
You know what I'm saying?
What
Nobody.
other channel gonna be like, this one looks like this one? Except Mike Francesa's gonna be like, this one looks like a black.
Yeah.
The Yankee side, Manny Machado, he looks like all the other ones.
He's signed 30 million. I mean, I don't understand. I mean,
How much did he sign for? It was
10 years, 300 mil.
That doesn't feel like enough.
Like,
I know Bryce Harper somewhere like, ooh boy, y'all not ready.
Oh, word?
A word?
I'm
he's still
coming
not
for
signed?
$1 billion,
Not
nigga.
signed.
I'm coming for $1 billion. They're saying he's going to Philly, and I will be fucking incensed if he goes to Philly.
Why? I don't want Bryce Harper. I don't want Bryce Harper on my team. That's like trading for Tom Brady and getting him to the Dolphins.
Yeah,
I don't want any guy from the NL.
It just doesn't happen. Just doesn't
At that
happen.
comment, I was like, damn, your dad's definitely an alcoholic.
Yeah,
And just
like-
watches TV all day because
No,
you're
yeah,
like all of 7.
Yeah, but you know
Like,
all this shit?
yeah.
Like, you know nothing about Paw Patrol?
Yeah,
You're just
no.
like,
Bats! I don't want Donaldson. I don't want any of those guys. Oh, he's so cute. I mean, you can take any other guy in the league. I
All right, Jacob,
It
relax.
just doesn't
Yeah, that
happen.
nigga still has his baby teeth. Like,
You know what?
relax.
I'm gonna say this, and this is problematic. You know, I'm team fuck them kids. Not like that.
Yeah.
But I refuse to have a sports argument with someone younger than me. Not doing it.
Yeah, no.
Not doing it. Like I forgot I was at like a Nets game and some kid was trying to talk, like some 7-year-old was trying to tell me about the Nets records better than the Knicks. And I'm like, no, fuck you.
Fuck you, nigga.
Your baby teeth ain't gonna come out. Get the fuck out of here,
bro.
Nigga.
Where were you in '94?
Okay, where were you
her.
in that 7-hour rain delay while I watched fucking Johnny Damon slam his arm into the shoulder and dislocate it?
know what
And
I'm
I
saying?
stayed there, huh? I want to hear nothing about baseball.
Fucking
Nigga,
clown.
talking about Cespedes. Cespedes?
Who?
Cespedes? What about Gary Carter, little nigga? Huh?
Cespedes?
Huh?
The nigga that ride the horse to practice? That Cespedes? That nigga sold my whole flow.
Nah, I'm gonna
He
say
seen me
it.
and DR riding a donkey down to the river, and then he said, I'm gonna ride a fucking horse to spring training. That nigga took my whole flow.
Now I understand why like older people is so cantankerous when they call it the WFAN because like I've been through that. I want to hear about. It's like you read a couple of stats and shit. You've been a Nets fan for a year. You going to bat with me, nigga?
Fuck out of here. And the corniest shit to me is that Net fans invented wearing scarves. Like on some soccer shit, like they buy, like they
they
wear
have scarves
scarves.
like that?
Yeah, like nigga, this ain't soccer, nigga.
Nah, don't do
this
that
is fucking basketball, nigga. You wearing straight backs and a jersey that's too big.
Listen, I'm not being racist, but when you be at a Nets game and there's mad white people like Brooklyn, I was like, come on.
y'all know,
You niggas have gentrified.
Stop,
that used to be a
stop.
threatening chant.
Bruh.
That used to be
Yeah,
something they
bro.
would do in the club.
Stop.
It'd be like, Brooklyn's in the house, tuck your chain in,
Tuck
'cause you
your
about to
chain
get
in,
robbed.
yeah.
Now you got mad fucking like housewives and like tax attorneys like Brooklyn.
With
your tote bag, huh?
Brooklyn. Oh, but it's actually a reusable tote. I use it for my groceries.
We gotta make the Knicks grimy again. We gotta the new Knicks chant should be cut your face,
cut your face, cut your face. No,
kill that nigga.
instead of MVP, buck 50, buck 50, buck 50.
We want bully. We want bully. There's a big bully in the stands retired. Like he's just like Allen Iverson. He's like, I'm like, yo.
Appreciate y'all.
They're like, once a Knick, always a Knick.
Always a
They can
Knick.
give the standing ovation.
Yeah. Then they have little kids playing basketball. He runs on the court, mauls one of them.
Big Burley turns 134 today in dog years.
Woo! Shout out to Big Bully. I just remember that playoff run, man. Wow. Just Adam Silver the whole time. Like, a dog cannot play for the Knicks. Like,
Shut up, Earthworm Jim. Go sit
No,
over there.
his agent was P.O. He was like, shut up. You shut up.
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up, bro. Shut up, bro.
Mr. P.O., your client is a dog and he cannot play for the Knicks.
Bro, shut up, my nigga. Shut up. That's it.
Shut up, my nigga. Shut up.
He no fucking dog. He fucking man.
Bully. Nigga in the wild. He sends that DM like, yo, you trying to get the pipe? You gotta do like damage control for bullying.
Nigga says the dick pic is just like the wild. Is that a tube of lipstick?
It's like, oh, that's his dick.
Oh,
exposed. New York Knick dick pic. More like a Revlon big pic. Oh.
Maybe he was born with it. Maybe it's cock pics.
During him, like the night of the biggest game, nigga get checked into the hospital for possibly ingesting chocolate and shit.
Oh,
On the
no.
Knicks Twitter is sick.
Niggas shooting foul shot. He's like,
Yo, you think they
throws him a
Oh my
cigarette butt.
god. Big Bully, no, not right there.
No.
Oh, you hate to see this. They're cleaning the floor. Big Bully is taking a shit right in the middle of the Suns logo.
Oh my god.
Oh, he was potty trained, but apparently he seems to be regressing.
And now the referees are. That's a technical foul.
That's a technical foul. You can't
My
take a shit
God,
on
you
another
can't-
person's
you
look.
can't
Big
shit on
Bully is
court.
barking. He's arguing. He's fed up. All right, he bit the ref. That is a flagrant too. He's been ejected.
He's been ejected. He's still
Okay,
arguing.
they can't. He seems to be running around the arena.
Oh,
He's
my
biting
goodness.
fans. It's Malice in the Palace all over again.
No. Oh my god.
The assistant coach is doing that kissing noise, trying to get him to come back.
That's just despicable. That's a despicable display.
Well, you hate to see it.
You hate to see it.
You hate to
That's
see it,
a
but these new
professional
athletes, that's how
athlete.
they act.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
that's why we have the dress code.
That's right. Yeah, I mean, I haven't seen anything since this wild since run our test. I mean, it's
Big
out of
Bully in
control.
the interview afterwards, he's like, "Y'all want me to play basketball? I'm here for a dress code. What's up? Huh?
You talking about mauling niggas,
Maulin'.
man?
We talking about
You
mauling?
talking about mauling?
We talking about. I came all the way here from Virginia.
You know what I'm saying?
To talk about mauling?
Bruh, I dropped 55 with 15 assists last night. Y'all want me to talk about mauling?
Mauling, my
Mauling a little kid, man? Who gives a fuck? Fuck them kids.
Kids get mauled every day. All right,
Come
Nigga
on,
hit
man.
3 pointers in a row every day.
Come on,
I don't
man.
think so. Mauling?
Stop that shit.
I'm supposed to be the franchise player.
You feel
and
me?
y'all over here asking me about mauling?
Come on, man.
Come on, man.
Next question, man. Get the fuck
He can
out
pick
of
up his
here.
bag like LeBron and walk out
It's a doggy bag.
with a kid's arm. nasty.
Oh, shit. Damn, that's a fake mac and cheese. I just seen it.
Oh, yeah. You know?
The box shit?
Can't have no that box shit mac and cheese. I didn't know until like I got older. I was a Stop and Shop by 10 boxes of mac and cheese
Oh, yeah,
type
because
nigga.
they 10 for 10 type shit.
Throw some tuna in that
delicious.
shit. A little rice, you good to go.
what?
That's a hood meal.
Bro, nigga,
To this day.
I'll fucking cook him some ground beef and throw that shit in the box mac and cheese.
Say less. How
Throw the
about
sazon and
how
the adobo and
Hamburger
that shit.
Helper was like, yo, we invented this. No, you didn't.
No, you
nigga.
didn't. Niggas in
No,
the
you
hood
did.
did.
Immigrant parents and poor families did. They was like, yo, here's a secret. Put hamburger meat in the noodles. The glove was like, we made that.
We made that shit up.
Fuck out here, little
Fuck
glove.
out of here, motherfucker.
All right.
I don't care if you up on SoundCloud rap.
He's like,
He's like, hey, hit them folks while you eat some Hamburger Helper.
hamburger helper. Hamburger like, yeah, I don't need no help. I'm good over here, dog. What you talking about?
What you trying to
Hamburger
help me
helper?
for?
Trying to help.
Show me? Huh?
Hamburger helper just gets hamburgers in the corner and does the intervention. Yo, you wilding with that mad cow disease,
Yo,
fam.
fam,
You need to
really
stop.
would.
Like, what are you doing? You got mad parasites in here. You just serving you out here serving yourself raw. It's rare, nigga. Niggas eating you and not even cooking you.
Rest in peace to that nigga.
Rest in peace, yeah, that boxer guy, he died.
Yo,
Damn, yeah.
Rest in peace to the homie.
Yeah, that's that. He got caught up with crack.
Yeah, that's what happens.
Damn,
You know
bro.
what I'm saying?
Do you get caught up with crack?
Crack catches up with you, nigga.
I think no. You just make crack your friend for a while. That's what happens. Because it's not like you walking around the corner and it's like surprise crack. Like, gotcha. You've been cracked. Or a new game show coming to Showtime. Cracked.
Cracked.
Just niggas, the writers are like making coffee and they're like, this coffee tastes funny. I'm like, ha, you've been cracked.
Then it just start being like, yo, man.
What is he talking about?
Yo, what
So I want to do a
fuck you
sketch.
mean?
I want to do a sketch where like Bob Kraft has
Yeah.
like a chocolate factory where they put like Kraft macaroni and cheese, and the kids died. Oompa, doopity-doo. And Meek Mill was one of the kids.
Then we just like,
Like, yo, I'm like, that's not funny.
that's not.
not funny.
Yeah, nah, yeah.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
They
It's like,
come and
you
they're like,
did this to
yo,
me.
they're like, okay, I gotta, because sometimes they're a little bashful with the pitches, and you're like, oh, okay, why? What you got to pitch? They're like, so I was thinking like, if the slaves on a slave ship put on a talent show, I'm like,
Relax.
and they're like, but no, these is like they're gonna perform songs from A Star Is Born. I was like, tell me more.
Tell me more.
Someone called Don Cheadle.
He said, a talent show on a slave ship. I'll be like, yo, pass me that bottle real quick. Now go write another fucking sketch, motherfucker. Fuck out of here.
They're like, no, we already recorded a studio to record it. You and Mero are wearing shackles?
Oh my God.
Sing it spiritual.
Yeah.
It's only a matter of time before
Yeah.
like they put me in the house and put you in the field type
We're
shit.
gonna go like, bust it down, Slaviana.
That's Slaviana. But hey,
Now welcome to the slave show.
get to that shmoney. Yeah.
Niggas out here.
Woo!
This was when this came out, this was the hardest beat. Woo.
Oh my God. Yo, me and my brother would freestyle for hours to this shit.
For real.
Straight
Just
not like, yo,
saying
back
nothing like,
gun talk.
yo. They call me MTA because I bust my guns. You like,
Oh, brother, this guy stinks.
They call me MTA because I'm running the train on your girl. We be like, woo!
They call my dick a Metro card because I'm ill with the swipe. And that's when I refill it, I got to pick if I'm doing time or value. It's complicated.
It's complicated.
That's the problem. If you're smart, your rap lyrics don't work because you overthink them.
Yeah.
Remember when Jay-Z was like, red or green pill, you live and you learn. It's like, fam, did you even see The Matrix?
It's not.
It wasn't.
It was
It was a blue pill. And nobody in the studio was like,
Yo,
Hov, you want to do that? Yo, Hov,
it's blue. Just say blue.
It probably Beyonce was like, that's not even a color.
I don't care.
That's not even a color.
He's like, no, I'm not doing that, nigga. I just patented
I
that
just said
color.
what it is. It's one take Hov.
It's one take.
One
Hov.
take.
Fuck out of here.
Not doing two takes. Is that why he did? Because you want to take Hov? He probably was like, I'm off this shit.
And has Jay-Z been wearing the same suit for like the past 6 weeks?
Yeah, but it's like tailored, so you can't say anything. I don't know.
Okay.
Some rich people shit.
Yeah, it was made by some like Italian slave.
Not sure how that works, but
I think I might be. Yeah, I'm not sure either, but I think I might be okay with it if it's what I'm picturing in my head.
Yeah, like an
Italian guy that's a slave.
Yeah.
I make you a suit.
Hov, how would you like your suit? How would you like to taper the leg?
Mr. A to the Ezo, A to the Easy. Hey.
yes,
Used to get down in DC. Oh, hey, I bring the shoulders in for you. Hey.
If you want, I help you find 92 bricks, my friend.
Oh, no problem. Hey, the takeover, the break's over. God, MC. Hey, Jehovah, I bring up your cuffs. Hey.
Oh, please don't hit me again.
Hey, it's a secret society. All I ask is trust. It's D-Rock. Okay, now lift your arms up. I'm going to take your chest measurement.
Okay. Oh, wow, you have quite the penis.
Oh, God. I'm not going to be sitting here pontificating on the size of other people's penises. But Jay-Z cheated on one of the most famous women in the world, and she came back.
So, yeah, the big thing energy is there.
She did the math, and she was like, I mean, I could go.
I could experiment and go out there.
Who would Beyonce going to date after Jay-Z? Like, Cole?
I mean, they did.
LeBron.
That's true. That's true.
LeBron's wife got to be tight because she been getting disrespected out in these streets.
Constantly.
Beyonce over here rubbing on her titties looking at LeBron. Remember when Rihanna tagged her stomach? It was like LeBron, and I sent her the text so fast, like, you wild? You mad?
You mad?
You mad? Huh? You eat too much flying fish?
Yeah.
Take it down.
Go to your room.
I was like, take it down. She's like, fuck yeah, your mother scunt. I was like,
what?
Cursing at me in that little island language.
Little island nigga say you mother scunt.
And she called me a concho and hung up on me. I was like, wow, I've been disrespected in Barbados. Barbados. Oh, man. Sorry, Rihanna, I love you. You know what it is.
You know what it is. Holla at your boy, man.
Rihanna, grow up. Just grow up. You dating billionaires and shit. Hello? I got a dog now. Like, just come on.
He's ready, bro.
I'm not going to give you the best experiences, but you'll laugh a lot, I guess.
Come on.
There's nothing worse than staying in a relationship because the other person makes you laugh. Because that means you got no self-respect. He be cheating on me. He steal money, but he be making me laugh.
Oh, shit.
This dog is looking at me like, yeah, it's time for the AKs. He's like, yo, we got to wrap this up. Hasan sent the text, like, come on.
Yo, come on.
Like, niggas got places to go.
Yo, come on, baby. We got to wrap shit up.
This has been episode 148.
Yeah.
You know what it is. Woo. All right, this is what we're doing? Okay. We can blocking the computer and my microphone. Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat Like Cheerio, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat Like...
Here we go.
Yay! Chris Slinger, Eli... Slow down, I know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Do Not Fall Off the Table, Mac, Mr. Nandos with a Rando, 1994, Mikhail in Nueva York. I'm like one of those bad white mothers at Starbucks. Like, my child is clearly wilding. Yeah. And I just said the vocal thing. I was like, be good. Don't fall off the table.
Okay.
Mikhail going off. The Juve boss, MC Luka Gunga P. Putting up for 40 with your shorty, a.k.a. Don't Talk to Me in the Uber pool.
I don't know you.
The original one, +1 God, +1, don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Go with your uncle. Jermaine Avocado Coast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Kakuni without the coonery, a.k.a. Chili Moan, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Okay. You know, when I resigned. I got $10 million for 10 years.
That's good.
Manny Machado, 300 mil.
Wow, that's crazy.
It's not good.
It's not good no more.
Good.
But
next year they have DK. How you say lock door? Lock door. Lockout.
Lock it out. We're gonna lock it.
3 Phone Jones. He's at Machina. J Chuck. Stanley Cup. The Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute.
Yeah.
Leonardo DiCaprio. Mr. 240p. Clock my Pinot blurry. And maybe the Pinot stars possibly died a long time ago. So now I'm literally beating my meat to ghosts.
Yeah. That's hot.
Wow. Just down to heaven, looking down from heaven like, this motherfucker.
This nigga.
How did he find this clip?
How you jerking out to me?
Wow.
Recipe Charlotte Styles, yo.
Oh, man.
You know what I'm saying?
DJ Wool-Like, a.k.a. listening to Wash FM. And just for my man Mero.
Oh, shit.
I want to see if he... Mero, you
Go
know...
ninja, go ninja, go.
Oh,
go ninja,
shit.
Go ninja, go. Go ninja, go ninja.
Oh, Return of the Ooze, nigga!
What y'all know about that Vanilla Ice?
It's a pretty machine, gonna rock the town without being seen. Have you ever seen a turtle get down?
Damn.
Have you ever seen a turtle get down?
Yeah.
Those were pressing questions
You know
back
what I'm
in,
saying?
I want to say, 2006.
The funniest thing about this movie is that, like, I watched it in that scene. That's when the two, like, other mutants bust through the wall.
Yeah.
And the werewolf comes through first. And, like, we all sitting there and I was like, yo, that's Nace. Niggas just come through like, "Rah!"
What's going on?
What's going on?
What's poppin'? The Curry Goat, Desus Spicy, Jamal Haspel, the Bronx, Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno you cannot contain him.
You can.
The Human Meme, Word to Ja, Young Aaron, the Racist Provocateur, Hedwig Blood Coast, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffett, The Human Werther's melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Dickinson, Ricky Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris Sayers, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? The juices are pressed, but your boy never is.
That's right.
I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush.
My God.
No more cup of noodles, and I mean that for real, because the sodium levels in that thing will
Yeah,
kill a horse.
We're doing like a real ramen now. Yeah,
Listen,
you know what I'm saying? Like
I
the
actually
real
be
shit.
making my ramen not from scratch, but I buy real noodles and I make my little bowls and shit.
Okay.
I'm trying to learn the perfect way to get the hard boiled eggs, but have it like still
a little soft in this, semi-soft. Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Little marinated eggs. Listen, your boy be out here. I be chefing it up. The Prince of Peckham. When you see me in England, you listen. Don't stab me. Pass it over, cast it over. We make $10 forget the small change. Give me.
What do you want? What do you need?
Big money. The only anthem I select is Dipset. Mr. Sager, catch me at square one top left. Catch me at square one top left. Masters Marv, don't cheese me, bro. Oh man, the only anthem. Oh, what's it already? Soft fun, so I'll do is count checks and jerk off. Yeah. We got OJ, Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D.
Hey, how you doing?
David Urban. If you are going through a midlife crisis, you want really expensive jewelry, holla at David Urban.
How's your man, y'all?
Hey, oh my God, is that a rubber band and a pebble for $650?
I'll take it. Give me it.
Yeah, let's go. Smoke. These expensive Jesus red bottoms, Jesus bloody shoes. Yeah. Smokeem Noah, Andrew Cool Nanny.
Oh, yeah.
You know me. I killed Gianni Versace. I'm about to kill anyone else that wears Versace. AKA the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down upon me, Charger.
Sit upon it.
Call me Peckle because I got your bitch on freeze. Ayy. The topic of gossip and Syosset. Shout out to the 11791. You know what it is.
Yeah, home of Billy Joel. Yeah.
Uptown Girl.
Yeah. She wasn't living.
I always thought Uptown Girl was about a girl in
Uptown
Harlem.
world.
I didn't.
Yeah. Nah.
You know, okay, don't lick the mic.
Yeah. To him, Uptown is like 73rd.
It's like Hempstead. AKA Grandpa Joker, when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket.
Nah.
And you know what it is? Return of the Mac out.
Hey.
Your man Dead IDs is morning sheriff.
Hey.
Be ashamed if some of the infamous went mixing in the baby section. I'll see you around, loss prevention.
That's right.
Yeah. Been shopping that street easy with a bad beats like I'm easy, please believe me.
Woo.
A black Asiatic will crack your back like automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mess Marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. The she mass killer. Ella. No one could be Ella.
That's right.
Someone sponsor us for sheet masks because me and Mero, we have very good skin. The makeup people always tell us we have very wonderful skin. And then they put mad ink in our beards.
That's right.
Yeah. Niggas be looking like we put Valvoline in our shit.
You know what I'm saying? Beijing dripping down your legs.
You know what I'm saying? Our beards is looking like blacker than midnight. I'm fucking on Myrtle and Flatbush. AKA a problematic bae. Remember, just because they said Tristan Thompson cheated doesn't mean he really cheated because Jamaican men don't cheat. Also, they say he had a 7-some. Come on. That's not even a thing.
That's not a thing.
At that point, that's just like 4. That's like 3 people having sex.
You're getting trizzed.
You're getting trizzed.
If you're in a 7-some.
7 people
Like,
at once?
Come on.
Nigga, that's so preposterous. I wouldn't even watch a porn of that. Because that's just gonna be like Matt. There's gonna be at some point, at most, if there's 3, there's gonna be 4 people just kind of lying there.
I seen there's a Pinot series. I'm sure you're familiar with it. That is called Reverse Gangbang.
Okay.
That it's just like
is it a
7 women.
Is it CNFM?
No.
Okay.
But it is the dude, the Spain guy that he always makes girls fucking eat his cheeks. He's just like, oh yes, like this, do like this, oh yes, like this, oh that's so good, oh yes, oh my god, yes, oh do like this.
Coming to the stage, it's that nasty nigga. The guy that watches Pinot that even Chrome is like, yo, you wildin'.
You wildin'.
They was like, yo, don't even put this shit in incognito mode, nigga. You making it hot. If you go through his search history, you will be put on a federal watch list.
You know what I'm saying? My brother's just like, relax. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Direct Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? AKA skirt loader, jump the curb, hit your fucking beagle, nigga, and keep it moving, asking me if I give a fuck.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? I know fucking baby, I fucking man, nigga. No need to check the guest list. I am the guest list, motherfucker. The show debuted at #1, and it's gonna stay there. You know what I'm saying? Respect the fucking IMDb credits, motherfucker. We the strongest in the game. You heard? AKA CC Dad Bath here. AKA get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmacked. AKA Nicki Minaj saw my daughter at the mall and was like, uh-oh, diamond chains on her ankle. You know what I'm saying? Then she went and copped diamond chains on her anklet off the strength because I'm the motherfucker dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA Bitch Smack Biombo. AKA Diego Mero Dana. You know what I'm saying? AKA Dick in your big motombo. You know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me now, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? AKA David Trisdale, nigga. Pow, pow, nigga. Take that for data. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car.
That next.
You know what I'm saying? AKA the Dominican Dada Dykeman Daddy, AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it, B. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for selfies and to tell me that they cop Showtime just to watch the guide. Jeremy. You know what I'm saying? You like your little Whole Foods cashier job, Jared? Huh?
Jared's at it again.
Yeah. Then put the fucking oat milk in the bag and keep it moving, nigga. I got my own reusable toilet. That's fine. Thank you. I will use that.
Jared, okay. Listen, I'm not going to explain it to you again. He's a kid in Mero. He comes in here. He's pretty famous. If you see him, just stay in the office. Why do you keep going out there and fucking with him?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the respect I deserve, Whole Foods staff. I appreciate you. Thank you. I'll be back here next week.
I only fuck with him because Judy put me up to it.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Judy's back. Oh, shit. It's Mero and Judy. She's Rudy Pooty. She hates on the Jesus chain. In his ass, she's a pain. It's Judy.
Hey, he owes me money. What do you want?
Hey, he owes you $20K. What do you want me to do? And the guys, the Purim Carnival showing out. AKA Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. I'll suck a big girl's toes on stage at MSG, my nigga. I'm so nasty. Let me find out. I'll kick you in your ass with your chop with my Chelsea boots, nigga. Don't question my sexuality, I dare you. Woo. AKA Light Now Touchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. Can you tell I was screaming all night last night? Because you're broke ass ain't got five. You know what I'm saying? You didn't even got five. Get the fuck about it. Skabada. Okay, Tom Brady got my balls deflated. You know what I'm saying? But hey, it's all good. It's like Tom Brady going to the Dolphins. Like, yeah, it just doesn't happen. You know what I'm saying? AKA Field Ass Tyson consensually. AKA Lil Snoozy first nigga to tap out on live. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing this shit. You know what I'm saying? AKA Frano Messi MVP of Gelato. AKA Zenniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Eat a tolete roll. You know what I'm saying? Hit the hooks. You know what I mean? Woo. Get it shaking on Dykeman. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston.
Dum.
My hands are gifted. I will surgically attach a Showtime login to your television so you can use your mediocre eyes to watch the #1 show in late night. That's right. But Ben, you wear glasses, Ben. So how's your eyesight superior?
Nigga, I run HUD. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, mine is superior. I only wear glasses so that I cannot see the future. It tortures me. To see the future of the country. AKA, I open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen, man. AKA, Rico Sabroso. AKA, you know what I'm saying? Little baby Newport 2-5 niggas got garbage down the way. AKA, Lucius lying ass nigga, man. Listen, you're saying your man. I was just telling this young lady where the bus stop was, man. Well, she's naked because it's very warm in here. You know what? Let's talk about Jesse for a little bit. Forget all the other shit, man.
You trying to change the subject?
Yes, man. Come on now. AKA Nino Brown should cut it down. AKA live from Stop and Shop at Bay Plaza, performing between nods and holding the door open. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your TT is sucking and don't sick love, don't let me leave. And yo, quick question: if you're seeing that dude leaning on the yellow line of the subway platform, would you save him or would you just like record for a live link video?
I'd probably save him. I would save him just because he'd have to go and tell people Jesus saved him, but I wouldn't say it on Twitter. Yeah. And niggas would hear, they'd be like, Jesus saved somebody? And no one would believe it. Yeah. And then like I'd bring him to like the Oscars or some shit.
Yeah, that's just
like, look at this piece of shit I saved.
I saved him.
Y'all don't deserve me.
You know what I'm saying?
Y'all welcome.
You're welcome. You know what I'm saying?
Bye.
AKA, listen, mate, you saw the show last night. It's proven. There's only 2 rock stars in this country, mate. In this world, I venture to say.
Yes.
Of which I am one. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a brand new subscription to watch Showtime. Cop that shit. It's only $4.99. Free for 30 days and $4.99 for 6 months thereafter. AKA, I'm Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? AKA, chilling at the crib off edibles while and stealing horses in Red Dead Redemption 2. It's Barmelo's Anthony for 3. Damn, there's no poop here. He's just playing video games. Damn. Sad. If you see me talking with my eyes redder than Satan's balls, nigga, doing some basketball drills in the aisles with Mero the 4th, approach me like a motherfucker Ursa mammal, nigga, because I'll react erratically. You know what I'm saying? And you will be frightened. AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kids' party. I'll show up to your kids' party after it's over. And for my grand finale, I will fall asleep and pee on myself. And no, you're not getting your fucking deposit back. Bye. Okay, I'm so fakely into your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off Arizona watermelon drink and toilet duck. You know what I'm saying? And he's about to put on some whack shit. AKA, Hasan, tírame la pista, coño, que me llegué, coño, caliente. Llegó los hijos de FIFA, coño. Bajé con todos los chavos y tu jevita me lo lambe como la paleta del chavo. Llégale. Indícame, loco, ¿quién? Loco, indica. Mi loco, dame la luz. ¿Quién puñeta eres tú, coño, mamá huevo? Tú no eres de nada. Deja de hablar de mí, coño, lleva vida. Tú me pagas luz. Tú me mantienes. Tú me mantienes la familia, lambón. Tú pues deja de hablar de mí, lambón, arrancado pariguayo con suerte. Que eso es lo que tú eres, coño, un pariguayo con suerte, loco. ¿No sé? Rapa tu madre, ratrero. Coño. Es que shout out la casa, Showtime. Shout out casa, you know what I'm saying? Y como siempre, shout out Lost Me. Si tú no tienes cuarto y quieres dar complaint, quédate en la casa, mamá huevo. Quédate en tu casa. You know what I'm saying? Es que...
No idea what you're saying.
No.
So lost right now.
Pero yo, shout out Desus Night, shout out DJ Hasan y saying que pone la nota, shout out Basti, shout out Jubilee, shout out Dímelo, shout out Broquete, shout out todo el mundazo, coño. You know what I'm saying? Estamos aquí, activados. That's right.
That's right. You know what it is. Most dangerous podcast in the world. Still doing a free podcast. How benevolent of us. Wow.
We could be
behind a firewall,
you know what I'm
a
saying?
paywall and shit. Now we're giving you this art for free. Shout out to Bodega High for rocking with us, watching us level up. Y'all the best.
You know what I'm saying?
Enjoy that Showtime code.
You know what I mean?
We gotta go. We gotta go make more content.
More content, y'all.
Yeah, we out.
Peace.